Again, this is a second sum of a integrated foreign operation, that is IFO. On 31st December 2020, the following balances appear in the books of the Calcutta branch of an English firm having its head office in London. Now, the head office is in London, that is HO is in the London, but the branch is situated in Calcutta. So, इससे ये पता चलेगा, as I told you कि HO चाहे इंडिया में है and अगर ब्रांच फॉरेन में है, या तो HO फॉरेन में है एंड ब्रांच इज इन इंडिया, देन आल्सो इट विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज योर फॉरेन ब्रांच. So from this first line you can easily identify that this is a foreign branch का sum. फिर secondly ये identify कर लोगे कि the branch is situated in Calcutta whereas the HO is situated in London. So whatever will be given, ये जो हमें information है, हमें क्या करना है, हमें HO के हिसाब से रुपीज को कन्वर्ट, हम HO की करेंसी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. So from rupees we have to move to the, now what is the London का करेंसी, sterling pound. So from rupees we have to convert, अब we have to translate our trial balance into the sterling pound. समझ में आया? जिसमें भी HO का, जिधर भी HO सिचुएटेड है, हमें हमारे फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स HO के करेंसी के हिसाब से बनाने होंगे. Now first thing, see, before reading to this trial balance, I will just ask to read the adjustment ones. Now see, stock as on 31st December 2020. अब 31st December 2020 है, मतलब starting of the year will be 1st Jan and the end will be 31st of December. So they are following a calendar year. Was 32,500. मतलब देखो, convert करके नहीं दिया है हमें. They have given us the rupees. We have to convert this stock. So this is the value of a closing stock. Closing stock, two effects: trading account credit side and the balance sheet asset side. Calculate the branch accounts in the books of the London office showed a debit balance. देखो लंडन ऑफिस जो है उसका HO में डेबिट बैलेंस कितना दिखा रहा है, स्टर्लिन पाउंड ऑफ 2280. और at the end of the year, fixtures and the furnitures were acquired from a remittance received from the London of $350. तो हमने ये जो फिक्चर्स थे, जो और फर्नीचर एंड द फिक्चर्स कैसे एक्वायर किए थे, जो भी हमें पैसा आया था, जो भी पैसा रेमिट किया था, वो पैसों से हमने ये खरीदा हुआ है, विच इज एग्जैक्टली कवर्ड द कॉस्ट ऑफ सच अ फिक्स फिक्चर्स एक्सेट्रा. बोल रहे वो क्या कर रहा है, वो हमें कॉस्ट को कवर करके दे रहा है. सो फाइन, जब एडजस्टमेंट आएगा तब हम फर्नीचर एंड फिक्चर्स कहाँ पर लिखेंगे. ऑब्वियसली वी नीड टू फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट दिस अप एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट डाउन इन द एसेट साइड. Rate of the exchange may be taken at, now they have given, see, 31st December 2019 को, मतलब previous year का closing becomes this year के लिए opening. So 14 per sterling pound, मतलब rupees 14 per sterling pound is a opening का currency. Opening rate is given. And on 31st December 2020, rupees 13 per sterling pound. So this is a closing rate which has been given. So we have a opening rate, we have a closing rate, and the average rate for the year 2005, here it will be 2020, may be taken at 12 per sterling pound. मतलब average rate अगर नहीं भी दिया होगा तो how you will be doing it, 14 plus 13 divided by 2. ठीक है, अगर पॉइंट में आ रहा हो या कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो. अगर नहीं दिया है तो आई एम टेलिंग, ये तो इधर 12 दिया है, पर अगर नहीं दिया होता तो क्या करते थे, तो फिर ओपनिंग प्लस क्लोजिंग डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड मेक ओवर द ईयर द करेक्शन. ईयर इट विल बी 2020. Prepare the trading profit and loss account and the balance sheet relating to Calcutta branch in the London books. So in the books of the मतलब HO we have to prepare a Calcutta branch accounts. So इसमें trading profit and loss and the balance sheet we have to just prepare it up. But before preparing the final accounts, we will first, you know, we will do the conversion. हम convert कर देंगे, हम translation करेंगे. Conversion from that, we will first draw the converted trial balance. Now this we have to prepare trial balance on 31st December 2020. अब हम क्या करते जाएंगे, we will see the expenses from the year, whatever would be given in the trial balance, and accordingly we will start, you know, jotting it down over here. Accounts में सीधा लिखना start कर देंगे. So first my concern will be, you first prepare a converted trial balance and just give the heading Calcutta branch trading account And then first you prepare a trial balance, then you prepare a trading account, profit and loss account and a balance sheet. और ये सारा किस में दिया है, ये रुपीस में दिया है. फ्रॉम रुपीस टू यू हैव टू गो स्टर्लिन पाउंड, तो यू एवरीथिंग विल बी डिवाइडेड. हमने जो प्रीवियस सम देखा था वहां पर देखो सारा डेटा वाज इन द डॉलर एंड हमने डॉलर से रुपीस में कन्वर्ट किया था, तो वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड. हियर वी हैव टू जस्ट कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम रुपीस टू स्टर्लिन पाउंड, सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड द रेट्स, so you will be getting this. अब सबसे पहले क्या है, opening stock is given, that is a stock on 1st 2020 opening stock. So go in the trial balance, convert a trial balance and write down opening stock 12,600. Now opening stock कौन से रेट पर होता है, opening rate given in the sum is C 14 per sterling pound. So here you will be writing down 14. So 12,600 divided by 14, 900. Next is purchase and the sale. Purchase and the sales goes in the average rate. So average rate given is 12. So 75,000 divided by 12. 6250 and 1,12,500 divided by 12, 9,375. Is debtors and creditors. Debtors have a debit balance, creditors have a credit balance. 39,000 and 26,000. Debtors and the creditors, we record it on a closing rate. What is a closing rate given in the sum? 13. So write it down and divide it. 39,000 divided by 13, 3,000. 26,000 divided by 13, 2,000. Next is bills of exchange. Now bills of exchange debit and credit balance is given. It means this is bills receivable. This is bills payable because bills receivable have a debit balance, whereas bills payable have a credit balance. So 10,400 on a debit side you are going to write down and 9,100 on a credit side for the bills payable. So this will be on a closing rate. Asset item जो भी होगा वो closing rate पर जाएगा. 13. So 10,400 divided by 13. 800. 9,100 divided by 13. 700. Wages and salaries. 4,800 debit side. We take for all the expenses, we'll take a average rate. Average rate given is 12. So 4,800 divided by 12, 400. Next is rent, rates and taxes. $3,600, again an expense. So it will be taken on an average rate. So 3,600 divided by 12, 300. Next is sundry charges, 1,500. Average rate is again 12, again expenses. So when we divide, we will be getting the answer of 125. फर्नीचर एंड फिक्चर्स के लिए ऑलरेडी द अमाउंट इज गिवन. देखो कितना रिसीव किया था उन्होंने, 350 स्टर्लिन पाउंड. तो डायरेक्टली हियर यू विल बी राइटिंग डाउन गिवन एंड Here you will be writing down 350. Next is bank balance, 28,990. So bank balance rate closing rate is 13. Next is London office. London office is also given. कितना दिया है? 2280. So if you take a total was already given 1,80,800. Just write it out. But still, if you want, you can just check it out. हाँ, सारा कुछ ऐड करके एक बार चेक कर लो डेबिट क्रेडिट. Now, ऐसे ही you have to take the total of debit credit, but of sterling pound. So credit side का total देखते हैं पहले. 14355 and debit side the total is 14355. So luckily this is a sum where दोनों tally हो गया. We didn't got any reserve. Sorry, we didn't got any foreign exchange difference over here. क्योंकि ये दोनों tally हो गया. There is no exchange difference. Now, after converting this trial balance, we have to just यहाँ से हमें पोस्ट करते जाना है. ट्रेडिंग जो भी आइटम्स ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में जाएगी that will be posted in trading account. Item which will be going in the profit and loss account, it will be posted in profit and loss account. And the items which will go in the balance sheet will be posted in the balance sheet. So the first one is opening stock. Opening stock को भी record in the trading account debit side. So 2 opening stock 900. आप एचओ के बुक में बना रहे हो. हाँ, so that is why the currency will be sterling pound and not the rupees. Next is purchases and sales. So trading account debit side purchase लिखोगे. Purchases 6250 by sales 937. Is debtors and creditors. So debtors and the creditors will be recorded in the balance sheet asset side. Debtors record करोगे और creditors को record करोगे in the liability side. Debtors 3000. Creditors 2000. Now next one. So we recorded debtors and the creditors. अब है bills of exchange मतलब bills receivable and the bills payable. तो bills payable कितना है 800 and bills receivable is 800 and bills payable is 700. So go in the asset side and write down bills receivable 800 Bills payable 700. Is wages and salaries, so it will go in the trading account debit side. So 2 wages and salaries. $400. Rent, rates and taxes. So P&L account debit side. Sundry charges the same P&L account debit side. Rates, taxes. 300. 2 sundry charges. 125. Next is furniture and fixtures, so asset 350. Next is bank balance, again it will be written on the asset side. 2230. Is London office, matlab this is a HO का balance. London office account 2280. Now don't forget about this closing stock because many of the students forget about this closing stock. So by closing stock, first you need to convert it up. Three two five double zero that we need to divide it by. Closing stock कौन सा रेट जाएगा? Yes, you need to know this directly. You cannot do it. आपको obviously कैसे लिख पाओगे? रुपीज में दिया हुआ है, तो you need to first convert it up and then you have to write it down. So just convert first. Closing rate. So if I divide it by 13, I will be getting 2500. इसका second effect कहाँ पर जाएगा? Closing stock का asset side पर. Write it down. Closing stock 2500 on the asset side. Almost we have recorded all the items. एक बार फिर भी चेक कर लो कुछ बच रहा है क्या? Almost each and every item has been posted. Now we just have to close. Obviously see here, अगर compare करोगे तो debit side is credit side is higher than the debit. 11875. So you will be getting a gross profit. So 2 gross profit carried down. £4,700 by gross profit brought down. It is higher. Write down the balance on both the sides. You will be getting a profit. Profit. The total is 425. So this minus 425, if you do, will be 4,300. Class, just a minute. Is 11875. 7550. This minus 7550. While calculating, I didn't took this 400. So it will be 4325. Just change the amounts. So the net profit will be 3,900. Net profit will be added in the HOCA books. Net profit. $3,900. Take a total 6,180. Liability side 8,880. Asset side 8,880. तो पहले क्या करोगे, हमेशा जब भी ऐसा दिया होगा तो फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट, you have to draw the converted trial balance, then trading account, and then from this trial balance which you have prepared, उससे आपको क्या बनाना है, trading profit and loss account and the balance sheet.